Hi, everyone. My name is Sarah Waldner, and I lead the Create stage here at GitLab. The product domain owned by Create encompasses all of source code management, code review, the CLI, the web IDE, and remote development. We just kicked off FY24, and I want to give an overview of our 3-year vision, strategy and themes, and roadmap for the year. Let's jump in. The first theme is enterprise source code management. Source code management is the foundation of an organization's software development practice, and picking the right one can determine how quickly that company releases high-quality code. Does the tool enable collaboration across functional teams? Does it streamline code reviews on merge requests that require reviews from multiple functions? Does it make it easy for administrators to manage or audit the configuration of rules and controls for organizations of thousands? It should. It should also support the different development workflows that inevitably exist in large companies. Departments begin to operate as their own business units when they get large enough, and an enterprise source code management tool should be flexible enough to meet those requirements while also encouraging best practices. Source code management platforms designed for the enterprise should support thousands of engineers, make the onboarding and management of that many humans intuitive and simple, enable collaboration, all while delivering a strong developer experience. As examples, GitLab will provide enterprise-grade administration and compliance, a variety of merge strategies and support for forking workflows, support for monolithic repositories, integrated workflow automation, and remote development environments. Our second theme is security built in, not bolted on. We understand that security is a team sport, hence why it's one of the main themes for our department. We know that organizations benefit most when developers have it top of mind when writing and reviewing code. Source code management platforms typically offer this functionality via integration with multiple other tools bolted on. This creates context switching and inefficiencies. Source code management tools that offer security testing natively understand how critical developers' time and attention span are to producing great software rapidly and securely. As examples for this theme, GitLab will provide security scanner results in the merge request, real-time feedback in the web IDE, and centralized dependency management via remote development. Our third theme is the developer experience. All groups in the Create stage are working to provide a stellar developer experience, which is defined by development velocity, safety, and how it enables innovation and iteration. Organizations are learning that when developers are engaged, happy, and unblocked, they make the company money. Investing in the developer experience therefore drives revenue, reduce risk for organizations. To provide a strong developer experience, a company must purchase tools that are highly usable, reliable, organized to support the developer journey, reduce context switching, and minimize decision fatigue. In support of this theme, GitLab will provide a native web IDE with the ability to develop remotely, a native CLI, AI-assisted smart suggestions in the web IDE for writing more performant and secure code, lightning-fast code search, and extensions that bring GitLab to the tools where developers work. To achieve this lofty vision of ours, we are building products with the following in mind. The market has agreed that Git is a superior version control system, but it needs to evolve to meet the needs of the business who develop on enormous repositories. MLAI is here to stay and disrupt how we build software. CIOs are migrating their organizations to cloud-based development environments, and we are seeing a rise in the citizen developer. As a result, within 3 years, GitLab intends to be the market default for source code management tools, provide strong support for monorepos, provide on-demand cloud-based development environments, integrated AI assist tools, and serve the citizen developer via customizable workflow automation. Over the course of the next year, the Create stage is going to be working to create a world-class DevSecOps experience for our customers and community. I'm going to give an overview of the main efforts. Please note that this is not inclusive of all improvements we'll be releasing this year. First step, we'll be working on a framework for all rules and configurations related to source code management. GitLab offers a number of controls that can be implemented as safeguards. These controls can be put in place to keep changes from having a negative effect or enforce adherence to policies. Integrating features like protected branches, approval rules, code owners, security policies, and soon status checks should have an experience that is easy to set up, maintain, and consume downstream. This project supports the world-class DevSecOps experience and advanced security and compliance product investment themes. Second, the code review team is working on a large effort to restructure the merge request to solve multiple problems related to the organization of the merge request experience. These include addressing the overwhelming and crowded overview tab, the challenges users are having with identifying where to focus as information and actions are scattered, and how much time it takes to navigate between comments and to understand how different elements are related. This effort supports the world-class DevSecOps experience. The code review team will also be working on the native CLI, which was introduced in December when GitLab adopted the open source project GitLab. GitLab provides a single application for the DevSecOps lifecycle. However, for developers who prefer working in the command line, there was previously no integrated path to that workflow. GitLab should have a CLI that allows developers to interact with issues, merge requests, and pipelines. Users should be able to perform basic commands to retrieve information necessary to perform the work required of them. This is another focus for the year that supports the world-class DevSecOps experience product investment theme. Next, we will continue to mature our web IDE, which we have been in the process of replacing with a client-side implementation of VS Code in order to dramatically improve the usability, ensure users had access to table stake features for an IDE, provide the ability to customize theme and syntax highlighting from within the editor, and access VS Code extensions to customize the user experience. We will also be working cross-stage with ModelOps to enable AI assist in the web IDE. This effort supports the world-class DevSecOps experience and advanced security and compliance product investment themes. And finally, at the end of last year, we released our MVC for our new remote development product. This year, we are focused on bringing the experience to viable. We are working on enabling developers' ability to be able to define, provision, and interact with remote environments from GitLab in an accessible and approachable manner. Remote development will be a critical part of the software supply chain security offering, as it provides a better place for administrators to centrally manage dependencies used to create applications. This effort supports the world-class DevSecOps experience and advanced security and compliance product investment themes. Thank you very much.